The internet is filled with videos about productivity. For all of us who like to get things done, it's always been a hot button topic. In order to understand which of these tips are worth following, it's important to understand the science of productivity. A common suggestion is to start your day with a simple but achievable task. This can be something as uncomplicated as making your bed. This simple process gives us a sense of accomplishment, and this sets off the release of the feel good neurotransmitter dopamine. Once the brain gets a whiff of this chemical, it craves for more and more. This thereby encourages you to take on the rest of the tasks for the day. The Mozart effect refers to a scientific theory that listening to Mozart's compositions could enhance intelligence and focus. A study was conducted in 1993 by a psychologist named Francis Roscher. In his experiment, he split a group of college students into two groups. One group was played 10 minutes of a piece of one of Mozart's compositions, and the other was subjected to 10 minutes of silence. This was followed by testing both the groups with a spatial reasoning exam. The results showed that the group that was subjected to Mozart's compositions outperformed the other group. Though several scientists have debunked this theory that Mozart's compositions could directly enhance intelligence, they do believe that music triggers those regions of the brain concerned with focus and problem solving. It also puts us in a better mood, which encourages us to be more engaged and productive. Procrastination boils down to a constant battle between two parts of the brain, namely the limbic system and the prefrontal cortex. The limbic system is that part of the brain that processes emotions. It also contains the pleasure center. It persuades us into thinking why watching that one episode of your favorite TV show is so much better than taking on that important speech you need to work on. The limbic system is evolutionarily one of the oldest, most dominant parts of the brain, and this is exactly why it mostly wins the battle against its more recently developed counterpart, the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex is responsible for rational and logical thinking. Hence, in order to be more productive, we should try and give our prefrontal cortex the upper hand. One way to do this is to convince your limbic system that it can do what it wants, provided it sticks to a strict schedule that you have set aside. Reading and studying new unfamiliar material also fires up the prefrontal cortex.